Welcome. In front of me is an LG V50 ThinQ, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you might not know the combination to. So I'm going to quickly lock the device just so you can see I do have a pattern right here, and I'm going to proceed from here as though I don't know it. And before I actually go through the process, I'll briefly describe it. So by default, if you try to turn off the device, you will be required to put in a pattern or PIN or password, whatever it is. So we will need to, in a way, bypass this by holding power key and volume down. And after about like 10 seconds, this will force the device into a restart. And at which point, when you see the device, basically the screen go off, you want to then basically let go of the power key and then press it again to initiate the boot into recovery mode. So now let's start it off. So as you can see, there is the screen lock. I'm just gonna swiping on the screen just so I can have it on as long as I can. Okay, there we go. So power key, volume down, keep holding both of them. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let go. Hold again. Once more actually. Okay, so there we go. Now by default you should let go of the power key when you see the LG logo on the screen. I just let go a little bit earlier, so I did it again. And once you do, you should see the screen right over here, factory data reset. So again, using volume keys, you want to select yes and then confirm it with power key. And once more, delete all user data, yes. Power to confirm it, and there we go. So now the process is ongoing, removing basically everything from the device, all your personal data. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.